What's up, guys? This is my messy garage, and this is my light setup. I have two little bulbs here that I just stuck on to that broken lamp that I turned upside down as it was done and the ballast is gone. This one still is running good, and then we got this one back here that's got one bulb out and the other one half dying. So what I'm gonna do is replace it with these new LED shop lights that I picked up at what is it, BJ's. No mercury, instant full brightness, white reflective interior, quiet operation, one piece aluminum housing, 40 watts, 4500 lumens, high power white LEDs. So we're gonna do a quick replacement. They're plug-in. I got a ceiling plug, so we're gonna plug into that, and the other one is plugged behind that mess there somewhere. So we're gonna get some light in here, and hopefully we'll see the difference between this and the next shot. Should be the LEDs. I don't know about you, but these things are much brighter. It's almost blinding when I turned on the first one. I just put two regular bulbs, regular fluorescents in the back lamp, and I put the two ones on either side. One over the bench, one over the center of the garage. Everything is well lit, even over here, where it usually is very dark. That's like super light.